Welcome to this introduction. We will introduce you to our many courses with focus on Lean and Lean tools. Our course number 1 with 3 parts introduce you to Lean, process improvements, trimming of the production. Well, love child has many names. Lean have since the 1980s been an important tool for optimization of production, administration and services all over the world. It will never become obsolete. It is always appropriate to optimization of processes. The next 2 courses have some very important subjects for all companies. Everyone is familiar with this. Major changes in the organization can go through smoothly, but also tear the organization almost from each other if we are not careful. To know of these processes and their mutual interaction, etc., is one of the keys to plan and implement the good change in your organization. In course number 4, we introduce you to a very special board called the Audit Board. The Audit Board is a unique and very specialized audit tool, which in its full extent do cover virtually all aspects of production whenever possible. It is a versatile tool which can be tailored to all teams, departments, areas all over the company. You might know about Kaizen, the tool to make small changes and developments in the administration, production, etc. But why have a course about Kaizen boards? Well, Kaizen boards is necessary if you want to have success in carrying out a Kaizen event. In this course, we will explain the structure of the 4 Kaizen boards and how these boards interact with each other. This course number 6 gives you unique tools in the daily work with optimization in the production, administration, etc. All companies, whether they have self-sustaining teams or not, need overview, control and process optimization of production and administration. Process optimization boards, Kaizen boards, etc. all are the unique tools for these purposes. In our course number 7, we introduce you to one of the most exciting Lean tools, the VSM or Value Stream Mapping. VSM, Value Stream Mapping, are an indispensable tool for the process improvements in the production management and service, an important tool for the self-sustaining teams in their work on continuous improvements. Our course number 8 introduces you to what means with self-sustaining teams. What value does it really have for the company? And most important, how do the company plan and implement self-sustaining teams in the company? Self-sustaining teams is introduced in many companies with great success. Involvement of the employees are the keywords. Kaizen events are well known in many countries all over the world. In our course number 9, we introduce you to this great tool. Among other details, we have made for you a complete plan or flowchart for a Kaizen event. The flowchart for a Kaizen event is the overall structure of how to carry out the Kaizen event, which is a tool for small but continuous improvements in the production and the administration. In our course number 8, we introduce you to the Lean tool Gemba. Gemba means go out and see where it happens. This principle is very important. This tool is similar to Kaizen, but the biggest difference is that this tool are used to find possibilities for large improvements and optimizations in the production, administration, etc. We explain that carefully in our course, and we have made a ready-to-go plan or flowchart for a Gemba week. This flowchart for a Gemba week is the overall structure of how to plan, implement and evaluate a Gemba week, which is a tool for greater and more substantial improvements and trimming of the production and administration. In our courses number 11 to 13, we introduce you to 3 great tools necessary when you implement or just work with Lean. 3 powerful tools to ensure the maintenance of order and tightness, system of things, standards, check on action plans, and much, much more. Now we end our introduction. You are welcome to visit our home site to get even more information about these courses. Thank you for your attention.